Astronauts spend a lot of time together in space, so teamwork is a big deal. This morning, the cadets are in the forest for some team building and leadership challenges. But first, the Space Camp team has an important question for our cadets.
If you could ride one animal into battle, real, mythical, or extinct, what would you choose?
What was that?
If you could ride one animal into battle, real, mythical, or extinct, what would you choose?
Okay.
I mean, definitely it was a curveball. It's not a question that I've thought about in the past.
I'm Connor, and I'd ride a dragon.
Okay.
My name's Aoife, and I go on a tiger. This morning I chose a tiger because they're very strong animals. Like in The Lion King, he was like the leader.
My name's Finton, and I'd ride a wood pigeon.
I think a wood pigeon because they're camouflage in some areas, and they're also, you know, who would expect you to ride in the battle on a wood pigeon, do you know what I mean?
My name's Aditya, I'd ride a dodo.
My name's Asia, and I'd ride a panther.
My name's Sinead, and I'd ride a rabid wild boar.
Oh, rabid, wild boar. It's interesting to see how other people think.
My name is Daniela, and I ride a woolly mammoth.
My name's Jack, and I'd ride a tuna.
And I didn't expect the question, but it was a fun one to do. And it's just cool to see what animals other people would play.
Okay, that's enough preach your creativity for one morning. Time for this lot to get physical. To master the climbing wall, they'll need to trust their fellow cadets are keeping them safe on the ground below.
Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get you guys in the order that you want to climb in. So not just yet, not just yet. I want the person who's most excited to climb standing on this end, and the person who has the patience of a saint on that end, and everywhere else in the middle.
I think we've already established who's going first. It's just who's going last.
Finton was so excited that he forgot to do something before he started climbing.
I really need to go to the toilet, and the harnesses were like tight, so we went through it, you know what I mean? Because, you know, we're stuck in space and the same thing happens to you, you know, or like any other situation. So I just did it, went to the top and, you know, hit it, jumped back down, and then, yeah, it was good.
Just so you know, when astronauts do pee, it doesn't get flushed out into space. It's recycled and turned into drinking water. That's very sensible, but also a bit gross.
Anchors, take a step back, get tight.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Good
That was
job.
ladies and gentlemen.
You go, girl.
Sinead is next up. Clearly, she has no problem with heights.
Oh no, I actually quite enjoy heights and like climbing and stuff, and like especially jumping off things.
There you go.
She think it looked very easy.
Daniela and Aoife keep things moving.
You got this, Daniela.
Nice, Daniela. Doing good.
The cadets are all over this challenge.
Aoife with some speed.
I don't really mind heights too much, like, and yeah, it's good because I know the support from my team as they are all holding the harness down below and making sure that if I did slip or fall, that they'd have my back. It was a good team bonding too.
Go on, Aoife!
Oh God, like half of these fall off.
Oh, all right, here we go. He's fast.
All right, there you go.
Fair play.
You got this, AJ.
I mean, the climbing one is kind of, you know you're gonna be all right, because even if you, like, are scared, you could just hang on.
I am a little bit frightened. I don't have a fear of heights, but I know I'll like climb up to the top of something and I'll get a bit nervous then, but I'm still really excited to do it.
Asia shows no fear and completes a perfect team performance.
All right, anchors, take a step back.